Given below are 10 pieces of a puzzle. When arranged correctly, they form a 4-digit number. What is the number formed after the correct arrangement? So, this question, this type of question has already come long back in UCEED, and that's why I suggested to do previous year question paper. It will help you immensely. Now coming to this question, let's look for some clues here. If you're look at this piece of puzzle, this looks like 5 because only in the 5 out of all the 10 digits the shape is like this, right? This will be something like this. So this is 5 and this looks like 6. That means 5 and 6 are 2 of the digits. Out of 4 digits, 5 and 6 are 2 digits. Now if we see this part, this will make complete, it not complete, will make a part of 5. This can come here. We need another puzzle to complete it, but still this is a part of 5. So, and there is another digit here. So that means 5, 6, and there has to be one other digit here. And if we see this part, this will complete the 6th part, but there is a digit here. So that means this and this, it means that there are 4 digits. Out of those, 5, 6 are in the middle, and there is one digit here and one digit here. Now this digit looks like 3, right? There is only, again, because if it is 2, this slope will be a little bit in this side. So only 3 it is possible. So this will be 3. Now this first digit, it looks like it could be either, only there are 2 possibilities, either 3 or 8. For 3 part, we are not getting any part of which will make it 3. But for 8, we can see that this will make it 8, right? So this is 8. Now also, let me show you by rearranging also. If I may bring it this side and try to complete it, we will see that we will get the digits as the number as 8563. So the correct answer for this question will be 8563.